Good morning, students. I welcome you all to today's video session. This session, you will learn the chapter 3 from your grammar book, Articles. Articles are words that are used to show whether a noun is specific or not. Articles are words that are used to show whether a noun is specific or not. There are three articles in English: a and the definite and indefinite articles. The is the definite article and a and an are the indefinite articles. In this session, you are going to learn what is the use of these articles, when we use these articles, and what is the difference between definite article and indefinite article. Articles used before and modifies nouns. Articles used before and modifies noun. Just before the noun, we put articles. Function. What is the function of article? Article act as a function as an adjective. Adjective means adjective qualifies a noun. Quality of the noun is the adjective. The same function the articles doing. The specific or general. The definite article is the specific one. A or an, the indefinite article, that is a general one. Definite article and indefinite article. Definite article, the indefinite article, a and an. You can see here. And unique or specific. Definite article is unique, means special or specific. Indefinite article is general. With this image, you can understand the difference of these definite and indefinite. You can see apples there, red apple and green apple. Could you pass me the apple, please? And pointing to what? Pointing to the red apple. So it is a unique or specific one. Pointing the unique or specific one. The definite article. I would like an apple, please. Here nothing is mentioned specific here. Either red apple or green you can provide. So only generally, asking general. Yes. I would like an apple, please. Could you pass the apple, please? Which was specifying? Red apple was specifying. Yes. Here, indefinite article in general way, a pen, an apple. A pen, an apple. How we identify this? What are its difference? That you are going to learn. Before a consonant sound, a is using before a indefinite article, a is using before a consonant sound, an is using before a vowel sound. So what is consonant and what is a vowel? Among the 26 letters, 21 letters are consonants and 5 letters are vowels. 21 letters are consonants, 5 letters are vowels. Except these vowels, other 21 are consonants. A, E, I, O, U is the vowel sounds. So you can see a cat, a dog, a boy, a girl, a house, a tree. A is the indefinite article. Before a consonant sound, it is used. A cat, a dog, a boy, a girl, a house, a tree. Then vowel sounds: an ant, an engineer, an ice cream, an old man, an umbrella. So, an and begins with a vowel sound. Engineer begins with vowel sound. Ice cream begins with vowel sound. Old man begins with vowel sound, and umbrella also begins with the vowel sound. Some examples: fill in the gap with the article, indefinite article, a or an. A European, a 1 rupee note, an hour, a university, an MA in English. What does it means? A European, though European word begins with E, a vowel sound, we used A there. Why it is used A there? It has a reason. What is the reason? European, that the pronunciation or sounding word that we have to keep in mind. The European begins with E is E, but the word begins with E, but the sound is European. Europe, U sound is comes U sound. And a 1 rupee note, a 1 rupee note, 1 O is a vowel, but we put a article there because 1 rupee note, V sound is producing there, V sound. And an hour, H is a consonant sound, but we use an there because an hour, not hour, an hour, a sound comes. A university, U is a vowel sound, but we put a article A there because university, U sound comes, that's why A is used. An MA in English, M is a consonant sound, but article an is used there because MA, it sounds begins with A, MA, like that. Then definite article, indefinite article in singular nouns like a or an is using indefinite article, indefinite article, and countable and uncountable noun. With the countable noun singular we are using a or an, uncountable noun we are using the. In plural form also, uncountable noun, with the uncountable noun we use the definite article the. Example: an orange, a house, a cat, all these are countable nouns. Orange is a countable, house is countable, a cat is countable. See, I saw a person yesterday. The person was sitting under a tree. The tree was very tall. The person stood up. When he saw a cat, the cat jumped on a wall, tried to catch a bird, but the bird flew off the wall. You see, the red font, I saw a person. The person was sitting a tree. The tree was very tall. The person stood up, and when he saw a cat, the cat jumped on a wall, tried to catch a bird. So, everywhere, a person, a tree, a cat, a wall, a bird. All these are used first time. That's why a article is used there. The second example, the same sentence is given. A person, red font. The person, which is the the green font you see, underline green font, a person, the same person is repeated here. That time we use the definite article the. The person sitting under a tree. A tree is coming first time. The same tree come the second time. We use the definite article the. A tree, the tree. The person stood up. He saw a cat. The cat. That is a definite article. And jumped on a wall. Tried to catch a bird. But the bird flew off the wall. So, the definite article the is used for a specific one and mentioning the specified one. That time you use the definite article the. With this I am winding up this session. It's a later part. The rest of the part I will send you another video. I will teach you in another video. Thank you. Have a nice time. Thank you.